Business owners have a unique opportunity to grow their mileage or points with airline credit cards or bank credit cards like Capital One, Chase, or American Express. This unique opportunity is by paying your employees their payroll using the credit card. Of course, you're like, well, how the heck can I do that? And why would I want to do that? Because credit cards charge a fee. So with this system, yeah, the credit card charges you 2.9%. But if you're using a card that gives you 2 times points, it's really 1.45% is what you'd be looking at. It's a whole different conversation as to how you can get the value out of these miles or points in the future when you're looking for those flights or hotel stays. But this video will show you exactly how to pay payroll using a credit card.
So yeah, thank you for joining once again, Mr. Phil. And before we getting started, right? What exactly is that you're looking to do with us, Mr. Phil? If you can explain, please.
So the main thing is using a credit card for payroll to be able to get the reward points for that.
All right. And which payroll provider that you use currently?
I think it's called Payroll Relief. They said.
Okay.
It was not on the list, but I know there was an option. It was not on the list.
All right, that's fine. I mean, as long as you have a payroll provider, right? You use a payroll provider. You can use us to process payment from your credit card, which means we will charge your credit card and the fund will be deposited into your business checking account. Right, bless you. So there is, I mean, you don't have to make any changes for your current workflow, right? It will be still your payroll provider who will be processing this payroll from your bank account on your payroll day. It's just an additional step that you have to log into Zelle Money. You submit the transaction. We will charge your credit card and the fund will be deposited back to your bank account in about 3 business days, right? So technically, you will be using your credit card to fund that particular payroll. Let me share my screen so that I can walk you through, right? And I can show you how this works.
Okay.
All right. And I believe that you have already signed up for an account with us, right, Mr. Phil?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Are you able to see my screen here?
Yes.
All right. So yes, let me pull up your account details to see like how far you have completed your account setup. So like, as you know, this is what you're gonna see once you log into your account, right? And from this verification center from the top left corner, you will see we have like 2 levels of verification, level 1 and level 2. Level 1 is basically your email and phone number verification, and level 2 is your business verification, right? And since you're looking to process payroll from credit card, you can complete both the level 1 and level 2. And once this is done, you will see we have a dedicated page for the payroll, right? Payroll by credit card. This is where you will be completing your account setup. For the very first time, it will ask you to choose your payroll provider. You said payroll, what was the name of the payroll provider?
I believe it was Relief.
Relief. Okay, I don't see. So you may choose manually input the payroll amount here, right? This option there. Then you'll be entering your business name and your payroll provider name over here. Right. Once you enter those, you can click on confirm, and then it will take you to this page over here. And here you can complete the setup by adding your bank account. So the bank account that you're going to add here is the one that is connected with your payroll relief and the payroll provider. Right. So you'll be adding your business checking account as well as you'll be adding your credit card. That's it. Your account setup is completed. And whenever you run your payroll from your payroll provider, you can generate a report, a summary, right? That shows, the like for that particular payroll provider, like a summary, you can generate a summary that shows the total amount. So once you have that payroll summary, you will be logging to your Zelle Money account. You'll be choosing new from this page over here. You may enter the amount, right? What is your average amount that you process?
It depends because I have commission-based 1099 also. So if there's no commission-based, it's probably 4,000. But if it's this term, it'd probably be like 25,000 or something like that.
All right. How often is your payroll?
Bi-monthly.
Okay. All right. So yeah, I mean, you may enter the total amount that you want to process for that particular payroll, right? So as long as you have that payroll amount mentioned that on the payroll summary, you can enter that amount over here. You upload that summary that you have generated from your payroll provider, right? And then you click on add. And once you click on add, you will see like a new entry created over here, and you just click on confirm payment to authorize this transaction. So you'll be submitting this transaction from your credit card, which will be reviewed within next 30 minutes to 1 business hour. This will be reviewed by the team, and they'll be reviewing with the document that you have uploaded, and then your credit card will be charged, right? And the payment will be processed as an ACH to deposit into your bank account. Right. So this is an ACH which generally takes like approximately 3 business days. You'll be having this fund into your account.
And how many days does that take from submitting this to getting that money in the bank?
In about 3 business days.
Okay.
Right. It's processing as an ACH, so it takes approximately 3 business days to deposit this into your account. Since you have mentioned that this is mainly for your reward points, you don't have to worry about submitting ahead of your payroll day. You can process this payroll as you normally do on your payroll day, right? The payroll provider will collect this fund from your bank account. Once you run the payroll, you will be getting this payroll summary from your payroll provider, which you will upload with us. As soon as you have the payroll summary, you can upload that with us, right? You don't have to wait for your payroll day. You can, let's say you get this payroll summary 3 days or 4 days ahead of your payroll day. Then as soon as you have that summary, then you can upload that, right? Where we will charge your credit card and the fund will be deposited into your bank account in about 3 business days.
Gotcha.
Right. So, like I mentioned, the only time that you have to process this ahead in the event if you want this fund to be there in your bank account before your payroll provider collect it from your account, right? Especially like when you're looking for when you're short of cash, or if you're looking this to use for the cash flow purpose, right? You can process this 3 to 4 days ahead so that you can make sure the funds will be there in your account before they process. I mean, the payroll provider collect this from your account, right? And if you're just looking for the reward points, then you don't have to worry about this processing ahead of your payroll day.
That's interesting. Yeah, I hadn't thought of that. If you're short on cash for payroll, you can do this while you're kind of floating it until that cash comes in. That's a good idea.
That is right. So, I mean, we have like 2 types of customers. One, like most of them, they just want to use because, I mean, they can maintain the cash flow, right? For like 30 days or 45 days, depending on the card issuer. So that's one of the main feature. I mean, that's one of the main reason most of the users or companies using us, because payroll is one of the most expense for a business, right? So we have companies actually using us just for that reason, as well as some of the companies, they're actually making money off of their credit card because they're getting almost the same amount as processing fee as their cash back, right?
Gotcha.
So yeah, so there is like 2.9% as credit card processing fee. It's a pass-through fee where you will see that in your credit card statement along with the payroll amount, right? So this 2.9% is considered as a business expense, obviously. So end of the year, right, you can write this off since it is a business expense. All right. So there are multiple benefits. One, obviously, you'll be getting reward points or cash back based on your card issuer. Second, you can maintain the cash flow. And third, this 2.9%, it's a business expense which you can write off, right, when you do the tax.
And what are there any other fees that you guys charge for doing this?
All right. So once you sign up for an account, you will be having like 15 days trial period. I see that you have recently signed up for this account, right? And once the trial is ended, we offer like the basic plans for the payroll is actually $100 monthly or like $600 yearly. $600 means like about $50 monthly, right?
Okay. And what about paying rent or other things like that?
All right. So, I mean, the basic plan is actually for you to process the payroll, but you can also process payments from your credit card to pay your vendors, right? You can use your credit card. From this homepage, you'll be selecting pay from as credit card, right? And you can choose how you want to pay this vendor, right? These are 2 options. These are the 2 features that we offer from credit card. One, you can pay your vendor, and you can pay your, you can fund your payroll from a credit card. So you can categorize the rent as a vendor payment because technically they are a vendor, right? So you can send this payment into your vendor's account or landlord's account as an ACH, or let's say this vendor is, or this, your landlord is not accepting a ACH, then you can send a check to their address.
Gotcha.
All right. Payroll, the fund will be going into your business checking account, but if you pay a vendor, right, the payment will be going into their bank account directly. Or if it's made a check, it'll be going to their address, right, from your credit card. So for payroll, it's payroll summary that you need to process payment as a supporting document. And for the vendor payments, it will be asking you to upload a invoice. So you need to have a supporting document like an invoice from the vendor, which you can upload the invoice, right? And then you can upload that. You can process this payment to that account. All right. So yeah, just for, if you use credit card, just for the credit card, there need to be a supporting document like a payroll summary or a invoice to process payment. We also offer payments from your bank account, right? You can use your existing bank account to send payments, or you can use the wallet. So wallet is like a bank account that you have within Zil Money. You can fund your wallet from your bank account and you can use it to send payments. So from bank account and wallet, you don't need to have any documents, right, to process payments, but just for credit card, you need to have a supporting document. You just need to upload a PDF. That's it, right?
Okay.
Right. So yeah, that's how simple it is. Like, it's just one-time account setup that you have to complete by verifying your business. And once everything is done, to process a payroll, all you need is a payroll summary, which you upload the payroll summary from this new option here, and then you submit this transaction. We will charge you credit card, and the fund will be deposited into your bank account for the payroll.
Got it.
Right. And same as vendor, you can use your credit card to pay this vendor. We will charge your credit card, and the payment will be processed as an ACH or a check to the vendor's account or address, right? Once you upload an invoice copy for those documents, right?
Okay.
And yeah, do you have any questions so far, Mr. Fuller?
Yes.
Yeah.
See, international payment. I have two international employees, staffers, that I currently use another system to pay. I know Wise Transfer is one that can be used. Is that to pay them their salaries directly? And can I use a credit card? And what would the fees be for that?
Unfortunately, we have international payments available for these countries. Which country are they from?
Mexico and El Salvador.
Okay, I know for sure. We are having Mexico on those list. We are updating shortly. Is it El Salvador?
Yes.
Yeah, I haven't heard El Salvador will be on the list shortly, but Mexico, it will be available on the list shortly. But this is how it works, right? So for international payments, currently we offer it from the wallet only, right? That means you have to fund your wallet from a bank account. Unfortunately, you cannot use a credit card, at least for now, to send payments internationally. It's only for the domestic vendors or for the payroll.
Okay.
Right. So international payments is only available from the wallet. So you can fund your wallet, right? You can fund your wallet from your bank account, and you can use that fund to send payments internationally, right? We don't charge you anything for the international transfers, right? It's just the foreign exchange, forex charge that will be charged for the receiver. You don't have to pay anything to send a payment from the product from here.
Okay.
All right. So that feature is free. Regardless which plan that you're on, you will be able to use international payments. All you need is to fund your wallet, and you can send payments right away to any those countries on this list right now. But we'll be having Mexico on the list shortly, right?
Gotcha. And all of these features are included in the $600 a year?
That is right, yes. Apart from that, if you want to use other features, right, like bank account from if you want to create a check and everything, so this is actually an extra additional charges that you'll be having. When you process a payment from credit card, all the fees will be deducted from the credit card itself. Mm-hmm. Right? Let's say, but you want to use your existing bank account to create a check. Let's say you want to print a check, right? So here, for this, you need to have some credits over here where you can manually refill the credits, right? The printing check is like $1 per check to print, right? So you just need to refill the credits for these features. Right? Gotcha. That's the difference, right? So yeah, that's how simple it is. But we would like you to test all the features while you're on the trial period. So please just go ahead and complete the setup and test the features while you're on the platform. If you have any questions, you can go to this help option. We have live chat, right, as well as live phone support team ready to assist you. It's live agents, not any chatbot or AI thing, right? So it's live agents. You'll be speaking with humans over there. So we make sure you'll be getting assistance whenever needed. That includes yourself, or if you have any users, right, they can contact us. So we'll be make sure you'll be getting assistance whenever needed.
Excellent.
All right, or you can reply to the email, like we send you. So we'll be that there also.
Okay.
All right. Right. So, I mean, we have a lot of other features, Mr. Phil. Like we are like all-in-one platform where you can find almost all payment solutions. So, we have integration available with almost all major accounting programs like this, where you can connect. So, if you want to import, you can connect. You can import any checks or any payments that you want to make through us, right, from your bank account or credit card or from your wallet, right, and payments. This page is like a ledger where you can track everything one from this page, where you can create checks and you can send checks from this page, right? So I'll send you an email as soon as we finish this meeting with this recording for your reference, right? If you want to schedule another meeting, right, for any reason, you can certainly do that. I'll include the link where you can schedule another meeting, or you can you can contact our support team for instant support. You don't have to wait for another meeting, someone to join. You can contact our support team instantly, right? And we will assist you all the way, right?
Sounds good.
All right. Do you have any questions for me?
No, sir. I think you've answered it all.